Hey guys, can you feel the powerful presence of ancestral forces in your life? These are beings that may have once been human, yet they ascended to a higher state of existence where they can become a powerful influence in every aspect of your life. Maybe you can experience their blessings and their gifts like clarity of mind, vibrant energy, a life full of meaning and purpose, the ferocity and aggression that you need to get the things done that you want to get done. Or maybe you get a sense of protection, security, and well-being. Even you see a direct realization of your intentions to the outcomes. Yeah? No? Maybe? Maybe you see some of these things, maybe none at all. But whether or not you're experiencing these gifts, it's important that you do know that these ancestors are always walking with you. They're watching you, trying to guide you through subtle whispers and maybe the occasional gentle nudge. And then truthfully, sometimes they're not so gentle if we're dealing with a Norse, right? Perhaps you just need to learn how to reach out to them to make a meaningful connection so that you can bring their gifts into your life for who you are and who you want to become. If that's true, then I want you to join me at Ritual Craft on June 15th, where we're going to be exploring the ancestors of the Norse tradition and the gifts that they can bring to you. You see, the Norse people have held a long-held practice of working with ancestors. They connect with them so that they can become the living embodiment of the greatest gifts that they have to bring. And even at one point in time, the beneficial influence of these ancestors meant life or death for home and family. For you, here today, this could mean that you're finally living a meaningful, fulfilled life rather than constantly chasing a rat race full of doldrums and disappointments. Now, in this experiential workshop, we're going to explore 4 archetypes of ancestral beings that the Old Norse people knew. This include the Einherjar, which are the fierce eternal warriors who constantly train to protect and defend all that's important to them. The Valkyries, which are the shield maidens who hold the secret to vitality, vibrant life force, and eternal life. The Diar, which are guiding, inspiring forces of wisdom, clarity of mind, and understanding, planning, and execution. And the Disir, which are the matriarchs of family lines that weave webs of fate, ensuring beneficial outcomes for their loved ones. Now, not only will you learn who these beings are, but you're going to learn how to call upon them and how to honor them in a ritual setting so that they can become powerful, influential forces in your life. Then, we're going to go even deeper to examine the runes that best align with these beings so you can create runic talismans that bring their gifts into challenging situations that you may face day in and day out. And finally, we're going to explore ways that you can become the living embodiment of these powerful beings so that they become guiding and influential forces in your life to help you achieve higher states of spiritual evolution. Keep in mind, this is not operant magic. That is, we're not going to be learning practices to create specific outcomes in your life. Rather, these are transcendent workings, where you learn how to access higher levels of energy and magic so that your life becomes a living prayer to your own higher existence. And when you start to do this, life just makes sense. The important things in your life get a whole lot easier to do. You find the motivation and the passion to do the things that are most important to you. And you start living a life full of wonder, full of meaning, and deep purpose. Does that sound good to you? Is that something that you're looking to bring into your life and your world? Is this something that your loved ones are counting on, waiting for you to step up and take advantage of? Well, if you think you're ready to start living a life like this, then be sure to follow the link in the description so you can register for this unique experiential workshop. Remember, space is limited, so get in quick. And this might be the only time that I offer this class in this way, so be sure that you sign up and that you don't miss out, and I look forward to seeing you there. Hail!